Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Memefi coin. Let's begin. So once you open up Telegram, you are going to search up Memefi coin and then you'll be greeted by this inbox and you are going to type in start and then it's going to say tap and earn. Enter the portal and fight ghost enemies. Let's tap. So there are a couple of options that you can choose from. You could either play and earn, join community, or how to play in case you need to know how to actually use the app. So then you are going to go to the bottom left corner and then select play. So it says there, stars daily check-in, complete a daily stars transaction and receive massive rewards. So it says that you can make a transaction with 200 stars and they can get 50 million coins and then 1,000 boosters. Now it says here, daily check-in on Ton. Complete a daily Ton transaction and receive massive rewards. So that you can just connect your Ton wallet there at the bottom where it says connect wallet. And then you can also receive 25 million coins and then 500 boosters. And here it says buy one package and get two for free. So then you can also purchase them with 1,920 stars. And that's what you could get. And then the other options are over there. Now what you can also do is you can connect your OKX wallets. If you go to the right side, as you can see there, then it says connect OKX wallet on Sui. And then by doing so, you'll be getting 25 million coins. And then you'll be getting the Sui network. And then if you want to access the shop, you're going to go to the bottom and then select the shop icon. So when you have enough stars, you can buy enough boosters if you want to use them. So for 6 stars, you get 20. And then 24 stars, you get 100 boosters and so on. Then if you want the premium feature, you're going to go to the bottom left corner and then select premium. So it says here, get access to Memefi Premium if you spend 500 stars. So it says they gain permanent eligibility for the grand giveaway and then guarantee your transaction is prioritized in the airdrop claim queue and then get a one-time bonus of 100 million coins and 1,000 spins. So you can just buy it for 500 stars there at the bottom. And let's say that you want to earn stars or coins, then you can go to the earn tab there at the bottom. So these are the list of tasks that you can do. So there in the special section, it says you can connect your OKX wallet and then you can get 25 million coins. Or it says there's stars daily check-in and then you can get 50 million coins and then 1,000 boosters. So there's like a list of tasks that you can do and then you can get something in return. And then if you go to the bottom right corner, you can go to the invite tab. And then if you want to invite some friends, then you can do so. So it says there, if you invite people, you're going to get 50,000 coins for inviting. So if you want to invite, you can also copy the link at the bottom right corner. And it's going to say invite link copy to clipboard. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.